Okay, and next task is to take away this intake manifold. And there are 6 11mm bolts what we need to open next. And when we look in that small hole in here, that area, there we can see first 11mm bolt, and there is really bolts and nuts. Okay, and we need really 11mm socket and extension, because these bolts are in these holes in that way, and that's we need like a little bit thinner tools, and then we need spanner. And so there is 5 areas, and opening direction is anti-clockwise, start and move, start and move in that way. And there is really one bolt in here. Let's look those bolts areas that we understand where they are. First bolt, there is really bolt in here, nut in here. I loosen this now also. Bolt in here in that way, nut in here, nut in here, nut in here, and one nut in here. And this, the final nut in here, it is difficult to take out, and that's we have to take these side rear panels away in here, that we can open these bolts. But now everything is fine, and let's look that when I open these bolts, that what they looks like. Okay, and let's take that bolt firstly away, and be carefully that you don't drop these bolts in these engine holes. This is only bolt. All other things are nuts, and keep your finger in here, and now happens also there is nut, but in sometimes in BMW cars these inner bolts they open also, and this is bad thing, and that's I have to install this back. But we can really replace these. They are inner bolts what normally are in position in this cylinder head area. And then I open this next one. Let's look at what. And this was normal opening. There is bolt, and here is also bolt. And note that I keep my finger in here. This is trick. There is nut in here, and this is final nut in that. Final nut in here. Good. And now this intake manifold is loosened, and let's look at how we take that away. Okay, and now couple of things when we are taking this intake manifold away. Firstly, check that all cables and all hoses are free, because BMW they have made in many different kind of variations of that intake manifold. It is maybe first prototypes were bad, and then in German engineering style they have redesigned these things, and it is interesting German engineering skill. And now when we take that intake manifold away, we can carefully lift that up in this way, and there are all kind of hoses what keeps that in position. and there is not so much space, but it is normal BMW's engineering thing that there is really small amounts to move. They have made everything very thick, and then important thing, when we are in that position, this is this engine's BMW engine's engineering thing that we have to look in here down, and there is hose in here, and we have to carefully open that. Let's look that. It's really always in this intake manifold areas there is oil hose to pack in oil sump in here, and we have to take that away carefully, and they are plastic and they normally goes broken. But no worry, we can purchase new part from the nearest BMW service and new car sales center. And there are really hoses in below area that be sure that you check that what kind of hoses you have. I have in that model only one hose in here, and let's look at when I work a little bit. And now we can see better that when I take that away, there is this hose, and when I press these sides, this part opens in that way, and this is this trick. And now in my car there is only one hose, but in the same type cars there could be two hoses or even electric cables, and that is called this BMW's German engineering type, and these are all in below of that intake manifold. Please check that carefully, because it is difficult to find all of these cables, but I am lucky because in this my current car there is only one hose, and this hose is really oil drain hole and hose back to engine oil sump. There is really coming oil back in engine, and it comes in through that hose. And this is from the cylinder head cover area. This is called by this engine inside air ventilation system.